Tuning in to howtoplaystock.com. Hope you guys are having a good day. If you're a crypto trader, boy, have the markets dropped. They're calling it Bloody Tuesday, and if you look at price action on cryptos right now, that definitely explains a lot of it right there. um, but if you are a trader in cryptos or you're holding on to some of these cryptos long term, um, you know what to do. So don't freak out. Take some action here. Back up the truck. Start loading up on some of these coins because right now, if you look at the overall market cap, I mean it's red across the board, and a lot of these are dropping by 30 to 45, 50%. So you can get some great discounts on a lot of these right now. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go back and subscribe to my channel because I specifically want to talk about Litecoin real quick. I nailed this to a T. I said back on January 12th that I saw Litecoin consolidating. And actually, I just shot a video on this a couple days back. And I said Litecoin was consolidating. I drew out a level of support here. The first one was at around $215. And I specifically said if we broke below that price, the next target that I was looking at was around $153. Well, as of 3:39 p.m. today, today is January 16th, we hit $156. So I was $3 off on that call, and you know, unfortunately, I'm already in on Litecoin. I got in up here around 245, um, and I didn't really know at the time, just watching the charts, if it was in fact going to break below this support level of $215. So I figured it'd be a good time to buy in right there, and I went all in. So at the moment, I'm down on this, but guys, if you're in these cryptos and you got in up here where my cursor is, do not panic because we've seen this before. We've seen it multiple times. And if you look down here at the stochastics where my cursor is, it's already starting to turn around a little bit. And just based upon my own actions as an investor and a day trader, I can tell you with the prices down here at these levels on Litecoin, they're not going to stay down that long because people like me are licking their chops. They're going to jump back in and buy up more. If I had extra cash available right now, that's exactly what I would be doing. Okay. Now I've consulted a good friend of mine. He just set up his Coinbase account, got his funds, which will be in his account here by next week. But I told him, I said, if you got any extra funds, like on a credit card or something like that, that's an instant deposit through Coinbase if you got a credit card. I said, go ahead and buy up a couple right now because these prices probably aren't going to stay down for too much longer. And if they do, um, you know, I would say by like next week or something, you could possibly see this bounce back up. Now, I don't know, I can't predict the future, so I could be completely wrong on that. It could continue to drop, guys, down here to this next support of around $98.70. So, we'll just have to wait and see as the days play out and see what happens here with Litecoin. But I absolutely called that 100% correct as far as where the price would go. And if you don't believe me on that prediction, just subscribe to the channel. Go back and watch my previous video and the one before that because I basically laid it out for you, and I was correct. So just wanted to touch base on that, and that's all I have from here. You guys have a good day.